Hi, welcome to Look's YouTube channel. In this video, I show you how to create the everyday luxury look from the Key to Luxury collection. Start this look with a good base. Start with the Look Smart 4-in-1 Protection Primer to make sure your makeup stays put all day long. Follow with your favourite LOOkX foundation and use the LOOkX foundation brush for smooth application. Use the LOOkX concealer to cover dark circles and blemishes. Blend the concealer with your fingertips or use the LOOkX foundation brush. Finish the base makeup with a powder like the LOOkX Natural Velvet Mineral Powder to set your foundation in place. Now we start with the eyes. Apply LOOkX eyeshadow 122 Rose Quartz Pearl on the eyelids with the LOOkX eyeshadow brush. Blend eyeshadow 121 Espresso Matte in the arcade arch and in the outer corner of the eyes with the LOOkX blender brush. Apply this colour on the lower lash line too. Apply LOOkX eyeshadow number 26 Jungle Gold Pearl on the inner corner of the eyes with the LOOkX eyeshadow brush for a fresh look. Apply the LOOkX Mascara Ultra Wear on the upper and lower lashes with a zigzagging motion. Apply multiple layers for extra volume. You can also use LOOkX eyeshadow number 123 Sparkling Bubbles Pearl as a shimmering bronzer. Use the LOOkX Glam Girl highlighter for an extra glowy look. Finish the everyday luxury look with the LOOkX Lipstick 106 Copper Foil. You can also use the lipstick as a matching blush. Now don't forget to follow LOOkX on social media for more beauty tips and tricks.